So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see how to print the diamond pattern. Okay, so this is the shape of the diamond. Okay, how to print this type of pattern, let's see. First we visualize the pattern in the matrix format. Okay, so I have drawn the pattern in the matrix format. Okay, so you can see from this line, okay, from this line the pattern is replicated, means the above pattern is same as the below pattern. Okay, so if we write the logic of above pattern, then we can easily write a code for the below replicated pattern, just reversing the loop. Okay, so let's analyze the pattern. Okay, so in this, in the first line, okay, how many spaces are there? There are one, two, three. There are three spaces. Okay, in first line there are three spaces. And how many stars are there? There is one star. Okay, now in line 2, okay, how many spaces are there? There are two spaces, 1 and 2. Okay, and there are three stars, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in line 3 there are one space, and there is how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars are there. Okay, now in line number 4, how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of spaces will be 0 and stars will be 7. Okay, now we have to print first spaces, then we have to print stars. Okay, then relation between spaces and the row is, as the row increases, means as the I increases, the spaces are decreasing. Okay, so we can find the relation between them as the space is equal to n minus I. Okay, suppose the n will be the number of rows. Here the number of rows is 4. Okay, so n minus I will be row minus that line. Okay, row number. Okay, so for row 1 there will be 4 minus 1. Okay, that will be 3 spaces. For this 4 minus 2, there will be 2 spaces. Okay, for here 4 minus 3, okay, there will be 1 space, and 4 minus 4, there will be 0 spaces. Okay, now for stars, as you can see, the stars are in odd numbers. Okay, so here we have to print odd number of stars. Okay, now the in quadratic equation, here odd number is printed as 2x plus 1 or 2x minus 1. Okay, in quadratic equation we can see this. Okay, now let's check for this for first 2 into 1. Okay, I value is 1. Okay, plus 1. Okay, the stars will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, the stars will be 3. The summation is not fitting here because we have to print here one star. Okay, so let's check for this. Okay, 2 into 1 minus 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 means 1. Okay, so yes, for second it is fitting. Okay, now let's check for the line number 2. Okay, for 2 into I value is 2. Okay, minus 1. Yeah, 4 minus 1 3, so we have to print 3 stars. Okay, similarly for the another stars also. Okay, now first we have to run a loop for row. Okay, outer loop will be from int I is equal to 1 to 4. Okay, and inner loops. Okay, in inner loop, first we have to print a space. Okay, then we have to print stars. Okay, in odd form, and we have to give space. Okay, so let's see in our demonstration how to write a code for the diamond pattern. Okay, so let's start with our demonstration. I have created a class called demo, and in that I have created a main method. Okay, in that I am creating a variable int n is equal to 4, means the number of rows. Okay, and for first half. Okay, for first half, for in I equal to 1 and I should less than or equal to n, and I will be updated. Okay, for spaces. Okay, for spaces, uh, j is equal to 1, and in the lecture we have discussed that for printing the spaces. Okay, uh, j is less than or equal to n minus I. Okay, I've discussed the this in the session. Okay, and j will be updated, and here we have to print spaces. Okay, stars. Okay, we have to run a loop for in k is equal to 1, and for stars we have discussed for printing the odd number of stars we have to give the condition as k should less than or equal to 2 into I minus 1. Okay, and after that k will be updated. mm, and print here a star, and give here a next line. Okay, so this is the code for printing the first half of the diamond pattern. Okay, now for second half we have to just copy this code. Okay, and change the outer for loop. Okay, now for second half. Okay, we have to change just this code. Okay, for in I is equal to n, means I is equal to 4. Okay, here I should less than or equal to 1. Okay, and I will be minus 1. Rest all the code will be similar to the first half. Okay, same as the first step. Okay, we have to just change this line for the second arm. Okay, for printing the inverted diamond. Okay, now I've written this code. Now let's see the output of the code. Okay, so as you can see, I've get this output. Okay, thank you for watching this video.